In this video, I will show how to write these three vertical dots in Excel. So click on Insert, then Equation. Click on this drop down and select from here three vertical dots. Another way you can use this shortcut. So Insert, then open this Equation Editor, then write slash slash, then V dots, and press spacebar one time. Similar way you can write this horizontal dots. So write C dots, and once you write this upright, R D dots. So in this way you can write these three vertical dots. And guys, there are some more options like horizontal, and in this just select it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.